Screenshot on your box with the recording of your answer to the choice questions. 1. Did you spend much money on your last trip? No. In my last trip, I little spent because was to beside the Cocora of Violet. In the touristing plan, I spent 115 Colombian pesos, including transport, feeding, and lodging. Was it a fair amount? Yes, it was a fair tax amount. 2. What are the most beside place or touristic attraction in your city? The most beside place touristic attraction in my city, Bogota, it has Monserrate because the foreigners they live the sedentary lifestyle. It has about place go up for hours for a long road for has visit the charts and take photos of looker. 3. Did you go since I on your last trip? Yes, I do. What was the most interesting place to visit? I was last March month. The place most interesting than I visit was Finlandia, in the department de Quindío, because it has very nice. The houses are pintoresque, colonial, and the sector is commercial. 4. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? The most incredible activity was in the Macute Park. It has practiced extreme sports on the hanging greens and rock courses. Fine. Have you ever met a new friend on trip? How did it happen? In the last trip, I never met a new friend because I wanted to take photos and I asked him the please and that way we share in the trip.